Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to print header on each page in Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. So let's see what the pages of this document look like before printing. Click File, Print, and as I see it, not all the columns fit on the page. Okay, let's fix this and place all the columns on one page. That's better. So let's continue. By default, Excel prints the header only on the first page, but we need this header to be on all pages. To do this, we return to Excel, go to the Page Layout tab, and to the Page Setup group, we click the Page Titles button. In this menu, we need the Rows to Repeat at top field, with which we select the row with the header. Click OK and return to the Print menu. Let's do it quickly. Press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+P. Now each page has the same header. All we have to do is click Print. It's all. Now in Ultima.